and it's gone. There's no more description. All right. So then we have the sorting. How do you want this thing sorted out? You want to do a category sort by ascending or descending. Right. So item, how do you want to sort the items? Is it ascending or descending? So it's how you define your process within your company. So there you go. Again, we're available for consulting. So if you need assistance on how to convert your manual process to digitization, we're available for consultancy for that one. We're going to customize the application for you. Okay. You have the sorting, then you have the group by, this which group that you want to group this in, and the report, order by last name, that kind of stuff. You click on apply, this is what's going to look like. You have the order here, the date, and the order by. It's a secondary filter. Okay. So let's go back to group by. We're gonna put this one a little bit at the default of the month and year. Okay. The summary, which is the cool part, this is where you see the graphs. The current graph is designed for categories. So you have the month and the year, and then the sub level would be the category. You can identify how many work orders are done by on-site and how many work orders are done by, let's say, category B or category C, whatever category that you have. You can identify that here. So let's say, for example, you have 10 categories. It's just going to show you how many tickets were open for that category on that particular month, on that particular year. You can also have a pie chart. Well, let's say, for example, you want to do pie charts. So click OK. There you go. It's going to show a pie chart. Again, this is only one ticket, so that's why it's not divided into any at this time. But once you have more data, it's going to be divided to the different categories. You can see there are other reports here. A line chart. Show you what a line chart is. Again, it's just one dot. There's no other section here. The line chart. And you have an area chart. Again, you can play around with this one. Find your reporting style on what you need to see on the graphs. It's going to be here. And there's value sorting. That. You have the height of the pixels on the report right there. Okay. Click on cancel, and we're good to go. See, as you can see, the graphs are opening up a new tab automatically. So when you're done with the graph, you just close on the tab. And that's how the work order runs. Alrighty guys, again, this is John for another 321 e-commerce.net tutorial. Until next time, bye for now.